Going like this, Jess. No, Jesse, no. What the heck? Okay, it's good. But Jesse, you gotta activate it with the water.
Watch the full video, please.
What's up, everybody? 360 Juice here, back with another video for you guys, and today I'm going to react to another video that was under the 360 Juice tag. Alright, I'm going to choose a lucky video to react to and give out a huge shout out. I'm so happy that you guys are actually taking advantage of this opportunity. Yesterday I reacted to Jacob's washing style video, and he got a pretty nice amount of views and a pretty nice amount of subscribers. Hopefully the next person I react to will get the same result, if not better. It feels so good to be doing this. I feel like I'm actually helping you guys out, and I just want y'all to keep them coming, man. I'm gonna keep reacting till I can't no more, and I'm talking way too much. So without further ado, let's jump right into this video.
They know that I'm never lacking. You ain't never gotta ask me. I'ma do what I gotta do for the fam. I'ma make it happen. Was on the way out, but I'm backing. Need a new bank account with the cash in it.
Alright guys, so we got another video that was under the hashtag 360juice. As we can see, the title has hashtag 360juice. Description has hashtag 360juice. That way, when I go under the hashtag, which is up here, I'm able to see these videos. So this video is by Jesse Levert. I probably said that name all wrong. I apologize, Jesse. He has 316 subscribers. Can we get him to 400? Like, can we get him to 400? 400 subscribers. Can we do that? Alright, let's see. Let's try to get him to 400, guys. You feel me? I'm gonna be the 317th subscriber for my boy Jesse, you feel me? And then we definitely gotta like to show support. Anything else? Nope. Let's just make it full stream and get right to this video. This video is 8 minutes long. Let's not try to make this video 25 minutes long. Let's try to make it like 15 minutes, you feel me? So yeah, hit play.
There we go. This is what my waves look like. I did a 12-week woof.
12-week wolf. My boy Jesse going crazy with the wolf, alright? 12 weeks is a little much if you're not experienced. So all my beginners, if you want to wolf 12 weeks, make sure you have a little bit of experience, because once you start to over curl, you will start to lose progress. So be very careful. My boy Jesse over here going 12 weeks. He's probably very experienced with it, so he's probably better at laying down the wolf and controlling the wolf. So yeah, keep that in mind if you want to go 12 weeks.
This is 3 weeks after my haircut.
3 weeks after the haircut. Oh, okay. So I guess he cut it down. Yeah, I guess he cut it down. Cut the wolf down. His waves look very, very silky. Very laid as well. Alright, so he's very experienced. Alright, so it's not, he's not a beginner. He looks experienced, like he knows what he's doing. Definitely not too bad, Jess.
On my TikTok, people be asking me what I use and stuff like that, so I'll go over that real quick. My seniors, trimmers,
oh, so he cuts his own hair.
hard brush, soft brush. I need a medium brush. I have my comb.
Definitely hard brush, soft brush, all three brushes you need them. Detangling shower brushes, definitely need them for the washing styles.
My wave cap.
Wave cap to double compress.
Washing, and then some do-rags.
Do-rags, wave cap, all that, alright?
The
So
only thing I have in my hair right now, it's pretty still pretty shiny. Coconut oil.
coconut oil. That just look like a big old jar of mayonnaise. How you say it? Mayonnaise? How you say that junk, bro? Mayonnaise. Bro, I'm done. Alright, so boom. That right there, I hate so much. The curl enhancing smoothies. Because I remember I used to use them. And every time I used them when I was a beginner, my hair would start to curl up, like over curl. Like, bro, it would make my hair so moist. Like, you know how I tell you guys to stay away from water? Like when you're in the shower or doing whatever, don't wet your hair because it starts to over curl and you lose progress, and it's hard to lay that down when you're over curling. So the curl enhancing smoothie is kind of like watery. It's not thick enough to the point where it doesn't lift your hair up or make it frizzy. So the curl enhancing smoothie makes your hair frizz up, and it's very hard to lay it down. So I wouldn't advise you guys use this conditioner. But if you're good at laying your hair down, or if you're maybe medium texture wavers, it works differently. But for me, a coarse hair waver, I hate that junk, bro. I'm not using it. And I don't recommend it to any other coarse hair wavers.
I also use this one, Jamaican black castor oil. This olive.
That right there is amazing. All right, this is not a leave-in conditioner. This is a wash-out conditioner. You have to put it in your hair and you have to wash it out. It's very dope. I definitely recommend that.
Cholesterol conditioner. It's regular Walmart shampoo.
Everybody uses that. I use it.
Coconut one conditioner.
This washing style look like it's about to be lit, Jess. Jesse about to give me a lit washing style, bro. I hope I'm not disappointed. So let's get right into it.
What I like to do is pick.
Definitely gotta comb the hair out. You comb the hair out so you can, get it ready for the washing style. You don't want to just go. It's just a lot easier. It's optional, but yeah, I definitely recommend you comb your hair out before you actually go in with the shampoo and wet your hair and everything like that. So comb your hair out first and then wet your hair. There you go. With that hair, add the shampoo in, and like I always say, the shampoo doesn't have to lather on the first wash. So it's cool if it doesn't lather because I know it's battling all the dirt and old products in there. So you see, like, it's not lathering. It's falling out all watery and junk. That's because it's battling. Okay, it looks pretty good. The lather looks pretty good, but I don't expect it to lather. Yeah, it's pretty good for the first wash.
Shower brush.
Okay, so Jesse, right there, I'm gonna stop you. The first wash, I wouldn't advise you to brush your products in because you just want to rinse it out. Don't brush it all in there. Then you're gonna have the dry scalp and the products in the detangling shower brush or the brush that you're using. Next time, okay, this is optional. This is up to you. My opinion. Next time, wash out the first wash before you're going with the detangling shower brush. The first wash, scrub it and everything. But don't brush your pattern back down until all the dirt is out. You feel me? That's all I have to say about that. Definitely great lather though, man. Maybe he skipped to the second wash. This don't feel like the first wash. Definitely don't feel like the first wash, bro. This looks too good to be the first wash.
Alright. Let's wash this first wash out.
Bro, that junk not even dirty. It's supposed to be looking brown. My junk be looking brown. What the heck? What's going on? What the freak?
Alright, second wash.
Alright, second wash, Jesse. I know the first wash was pretty good with the lather. Now the second wash, if the lather isn't better than the first wash, Jesse, I think you're doing something wrong and I'm gonna click off this video. I'm sorry. Alright, so the second wash better be amazing. Okay, it's coming in real nice. And I like how you just go in with your pattern on the first wash and don't scramble. You see how he just goes in with the pattern? It's much easier. And then that's when I advise you guys to start using your brushes, your detangling shower brush to brush everything down into your pattern.
I'll take my brush.
There you go. Jesse,
We'll do a little brush session.
quick tip, use a mirror, okay? Use a mirror so you can really get your pattern to flow the way you want it to, because your hair in this stage is very manipulative. I hate that word, but it's very easy to move. So any wrong movement of your flow, of the flowing of your waves, is gonna stay that way. So use a mirror to make sure that you're brushing the right way. You see that main fork right there, man? That main fork is because you brush without a mirror. If you use a mirror, you'll know the right way to brush this fork out. So when you get over here, you're brushing at an angle, but then when you get over here, you're brushing at a different angle, so it kind of looks like a triangular angle. So use a mirror to make sure that that fork goes somewhere else, all right? Just not on your head.
Issy Juice did a review on, he wanted me to lather the conditioner.
It's pretty hard to make the conditioner lather. I want to see if you got this, man.
And he recently posted a video on how you lather the conditioner.
Make sure you put matte conditioner in there too, so you can really get in there and add that moisture back in.
Again.
There you go. Okay. It's looking pretty good. I ain't gonna lie.
You want to get
Okay. Okay. Okay, now going like this, man. Going like this, Jess.
put your detangling brush.
No, Jesse, no. What the heck? Okay, it's good. But Jesse, you gotta activate it with the water. Alright, you did pretty good. I'm happy. Somebody's actually trying that junk, yo. You forgot the back. You gonna do the back? Okay, Jesse. Okay. I'm loving this, man. I'm loving this.
There you go.
There you go, my boy. It's lathering, man. I told y'all conditioner can lather. I told you. I told you, man. Now you adding all that moisture back in because the shampoo done stripped all the natural oils out. See, I wouldn't do that because it takes the lather away. It takes it all away. And it's hard to get the lather to stay in when you're doing the brush. Even with the shampoo, it's hard to keep the lather in with the brush. So I would just advise you, Jesse, next time when you do that, oh, he's putting another type of conditioner in.
Taking my conditioner. This is how I lay my hair down.
So he's adding another different type of conditioner in his hair. I don't know if that's I don't know if that's healthy.
Now I put on my wave cap.
But I don't know, maybe
I'm gonna sit for about
I gotta do more research on that.
20-30 minutes.
The reason I'm saying that is because these two different conditioners, they have different ingredients in there, and I don't know if putting two different types of ingredients, I don't know if it does anything to your hair. The chemicals, I don't know if they do anything, but I've never done that. And you say he's gonna leave it in for like 20 to 30 minutes. I'll leave mine in for like 45 minutes before I rinse it out. And when you rinse out the conditioner, rinse it out very thoroughly because it's so thick that sometimes it doesn't rinse out all the way. Amazing job, Jesse. Alright guys, that's it for this video. I was very happy to see Jesse going with the conditioner and actually making it lather. It made me very proud and happy, like a proud sensei or something like that, like proud teacher, you know, seeing my fellow waver, you know, helping them out. It makes me feel good, man. I'm definitely looking forward to continuing this series that I'm doing right now. So if you guys got your washing style videos, upload them. Use the hashtag 360juice so you can have a chance for me to react to your video and give you a shout out, alright? With that being said, huge shout out to Jesse Levert. Y'all go ahead and subscribe to his YouTube channel and go check out that video. Make sure you smash the like button like 1,000,000 times, alright? Appreciate you guys. Thank you for watching. It's your boy 360juice, and I'm looking forward to seeing you in my next video. Peace.